2-car driveway. Alright, this is like a foyer bike room area. This is the living room. This is the kitchen. You also have a half bathroom here. The kitchen also has a sink area here. Some more drawers. And a dishwasher. There's one bedroom on the first floor, which is this one. It's got one closet. There's 2 staircases in the house. This is one of them. There's also a basement, but I'll just quickly show you. Has washer and dryer and some space for stuff. There's a backyard. This is the backyard. This leads to the basement. This is the driveway. So this is one of the 2 staircases. This one only goes up to the 2nd floor. On the 2nd floor, there's a bathroom. These all open. Regular bathroom. There's this 2nd floor living room. And there are 3 bedrooms on the 2nd floor. This is one of them. This one, as you may have noticed, does not have a closet. Instead, it has this closet. So this is the closet for that bedroom. That's a nice walk-in closet. this is second of 3 bedrooms on the 2nd floor. This one has a small closet here. And then this is the 3rd of 3 bedrooms on the 2nd floor. It's a little hard to get in one shot, but there's lots of space. And there's a closet here. And this is the other staircase that also goes downstairs. Comes up here. There are 2 bedrooms on the 3rd floor. This is one of them. This one has a closet. It also has extra storage here. And then this is the last bedroom, which is also on the 3rd floor. There's a closet. There's also another extra storage space here. And this goes all the way back down to the 1st floor.